War Machine.
Yesterday the weather was so nice. Not today. I decided to do my bumper. I took my bumper off. See the nice little dent I got going on there? Backed up in a telephone pole in the winter. I bought a new bumper. Now I was in preparation. I have replaced bumpers before. No, I'm not a terrible driver. Just in my line of work. It usually just ends up with just the metal skin. And you have to take off all the plastics and reuse the lights, the plastic, and all the license plate lights, all that stuff. Well, I started to do that, took the plastics out, and they were in good shape, and everything else was in decent shape, just the single dent. But when I got the replacement, it was only $250, I think. The replacement came complete with plastics, everything. I installed it yesterday. Obviously, it's dirty already, but 6 bolts, and it's done. It even came with the lights, including the bulbs inside. I was shocked. At a great price. It's identical, 100% identical. It's OEM, I'm sure. Came from Taiwan, made in Taiwan. So, while I had that off. Oh, that's for my airbags. Yeah, I know. I've got a ghetto air pig underneath there. It works though. Yeah, while I was under here, I decided to tackle some rust. I think it looks pretty good. I don't see any rust now. Very, very little. So I wire brushed down the rust. Then I used the rust converter by Rust Check, and then a rust paint from Rust Check. We'll see how well that holds up. But overall, not bad for 2014. Up here in Kazakhstan, the rust from the winter is horrendous. 1 year, 2 years, your vehicle already starts to rust. It's just horrendous. You're lucky to get 10 years out of a vehicle if you don't oil spray it. I've had this oil sprayed, but I did clean this back section out with my pressure washer. That's a whole story in itself, sitting underneath here with a pressure washer, just so I could clean up some rust. Anyway, it's looking pretty good.